Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. In this video we will see all about Pixel Fold 2 features, price, and launch dates, so don't skip the video and watch till last. Guys, it's widely acknowledged that the first-gen Pixel Fold faced some challenges. Perhaps due to the prolonged period during which Google's foldable phone remained a rumor, coupled with the decision to delay an earlier iteration, the Fold struggled to match up with its competitors right from the start. With phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and OnePlus Open offering more refined experiences, the gap between Google and the rest of the field became increasingly apparent. However, with the initial hurdles of the first-gen Pixel Fold behind it, Google is expected to come back stronger with a successor later this year. While early rumors about a Pixel Fold follow-up have been scarce, we do know that the company is planning at least one more product like it. For those eagerly anticipating the second-gen Pixel Fold, here's everything we know so far and what you can expect from the Google Pixel Fold 2. Design and specs. The Pixel Fold 2 is shaping up to feature a significant redesign, with leaked images hinting at a OnePlus Open-style front display and a revamped camera setup on the back. The device is rumored to have a more square-shaped display compared to its predecessor, with reduced bezels for a sleeker look. Additionally, the Pixel Fold 2 is expected to be thinner and lighter than its predecessor, making it more comfortable to hold and use. Cameras. While the Pixel Fold impressed with its cameras at launch, there's still room for improvement. Google may upgrade or change its sensors for the Pixel Fold 2, along with improving processing and AI-focused tools to enhance the photography experience. Pre-CE and release date. Considering the first-gen Pixel Fold launched at $1,800 in the US, it's unlikely that the Pixel Fold 2 will see a significant price reduction. Expect the MSRP to be around the same mark for another year. However, there's hope for broader availability, with the potential for the Pixel Fold 2 to launch in more regions compared to its predecessor. As for the release date, it hinges on the chipset Google chooses to use. If the company opts for the Tensor G3, an announcement around Google I/O in May seems likely. However, if Google decides to use the Tensor G4, the Pixel Fold 2 could be aligned with the regular Pixel 9 series launch in October, delaying its release until later in the year. Stay tuned for more updates on the Google Pixel Fold 2.